people out there panicking and selling their Bitcoin. But what if I tell you guys that huge whales are actually accumulating more Bitcoins? Guys, don't forget that after every FUD, we saw Bitcoin rising again in price, and I think this time it's also not an exception. So yeah, let me tell you what I see currently on the charts. And if we switch to crypto bubbles, you will see that, I mean, all altcoins, every altcoin is right now red, besides some, some crazy altcoins pumping like APT. And let's take it after, for an hour ago, you see that, yeah, it's not moving that great, but the daily is definitely red, and it's definitely red for Bitcoin. So yeah, let me tell you what I'm thinking right now, and I will switch also back to our liquidation heat map, because we saw that the past 24 hours we got liquidations for Ethereum of approximately 43 million. I think this is crazy because ETH is now bigger than Bitcoin, in terms of liquidation, and of course any other altcoin like Sui or Solana. And yeah, this is what I actually like to see, because if we take a look on some other altcoins, like, let me show you, for example, let's get to VeChain, for example, right? Then yeah, this is a great altcoin in my opinion, right? We saw a pump in the last year until March of almost 200%, and right now a dump of almost 60%. So I think this is the best time to get some, to get some more bags into your old, into your altcoins or into your favorite altcoins. So yeah, get the bag if you can, but do your own research when you want to get in. For example, VeChain is for me another great buy-in at around what we got here, 1.5 until 1.6 to 7. So this area I'm expecting to get in. Like let's get to another altcoin later, but yeah, if we start with Bitcoin here, right, we're still in this rising bull flag. In my opinion, we're still bullish until we are not breaking our support line here to the downside. And you can also see that have this box here, marked green. This is the area between 47 until 52, and this is the price range where I want to get in. If we see a crazy flash crash until here, I'm ready to buy in. I'm ready to to get some Bitcoins, to get a little bit. I'm already setting my limits there, because we never know if something crazy will happen. But yeah, until we're in this area here, it's all great for now. Also guys, in these bad times, take this advantage with Bybit. We have 500 USDT position airdrop, for many other altcoins here. Check them out. Also, you have to check the terms and conditions down here to get all details. Yeah, but I think it's a great opportunity to get 500 USDT position airdrop, because yeah, if the price is falling to the downside, then we get some free position airdrop here. Yeah, this is great from Bybit. And yeah, speaking about Bitcoin, depending here on the weekly, yeah, so the weekly is still not bullish, not bearish, until we're already in the middle, right? 60k. But if we take a look in our liquidation heat map, then you will see that we got actually liquidity at around 59,600, which is crazy, because today's low was around at 60k, right? We took the liquidity at around 60k in the afternoon, and right now the liquidation is at around 59,600, which would mean that we might see on some smaller time frames, let's get into the smaller time frames, we might see another lower low if Bitcoin wants to take the liquidity at around 59,600, right? Then let's get into the 1 hour time frame. Then you will see that this might be, this might be even make sense. So this might made some sense here if we see it like that, right? On some 1 hour time frame, this might be a falling wedge on the 1 hour time frame, and maybe we'll see stuff like that. Take the liquidity at around 59, as I said, and then this could be a rise up. But guys, still we have to, you know, follow Bitcoin. We cannot jump into some altcoins if Bitcoin is dumping to 50, 40, 30k, right? This is very important. And also we have to consider the news, like in the Middle East. If there's something that will change, you know, this will also affect the price. But for now, if I'm speaking, you know, on today's day, 60k is looking solid for now. 59, you know, to take some liquidity here. But yeah, the monthly and the the monthly and the weekly is not bearish. They are not bullish. I would even say they're more bullish than bearish, right? If we not breaking towards 58, you know, I mean not 58, sorry, 48, 50, 45 and stuff like that, right? If we take a look at our, you know, altcoins, then I'm already want to get in at, as I said, WeChain. I want to get for example Litecoin, right? I think Litecoin is so undervalued right now. I think people are forgetting what Litecoin is, right? It's basically the silver in the cryptocurrency space, right? So Litecoin was a big thing back in 21, 27 even, right? If we take a look here, 2017, sorry, it's a bit late here. 2017, it was a big thing. 2021, it was a big thing, and people are forgetting about that. So I'm happy to get some Litecoins at around 50 to, you know, $55, because I see this as an opportunity. If we see a flash crash like we saw in 2020, you know, in 2020, this was this time, yeah, right, this was this time here, 2020. We saw a low of $24. Can you imagine $24 for Litecoin, and then a pump from here on to, yeah, 400 basically, right? So if we see another stuff like that, I'm ready to take in my bags to, you know, to sweep some Litecoins here. But that's just what I'm doing, guys. Do your own research on that, not financial advice. Basically, as I'm always saying, do your own research. And yeah, check Bybit out, 500 USD position airdrop. Also, if you want to have a non-QYC exchange, we have Maxi with $8,000 USD waiting, and also Bitget. But yeah, that's the two exchanges I'm using, Maxi and Bybit basically. Let me know what you are thinking, guys. If we're taking the liquidity at around 59,600, I'm pretty sure we could, right? And yeah, for the next days and weeks, I just think that Bitcoin has to hold at around this area here at our support line. And could you imagine the prices for altcoins if Bitcoin gets here, right? Because already altcoins are bleeding like, I don't know, like animals, right? And if Bitcoin gets to, as I said, to this point here, imagine where some altcoins could be, right? So yeah, with that being said, guys, subscribe, like to this channel if you want to get the news, the hottest videos up there, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace out.